The table shows several complex numbers where I is the imaginary unit. Determine all of the cells in the table where the product of the two numbers is a real number. As we can see, these are conjugates, 8 plus 2i times 8 minus 2i. These will result, when you multiply them together, in a real number. I show you how right here. So 8 plus 2i times 8 minus 2i, this would be 64. And then we would have minus 16i plus 16i, and then minus 4i squared. These cancel. I squared is negative 1, so we have 64 minus 4 times negative 1, giving us 68 as a result. So that is a real number. We see that these do multiply together into a real number. This, however, won't, because that would, if you multiply this times 3, we still are going to have an I in there. If we multiply this whole thing by I, we're still going to have an 8i, so these two aren't going to result in real numbers. 5i times 8 minus 2i will not result in a real number because this would leave us with 40i. 3 times 5i is going to be 15i, which is not a real number. 5i times I, this will be a real number. 5i times I is going to be 5i squared, which is negative 5. So this is a real number here. Negative 4 times 8 minus 2i is not a real number because there's still going to be an 8i in there. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. That's a real number. Negative 4 times I is negative 4i. Not a real number. The answer here is 1, 6, and 8. The answer is A.